So, hello everyone. Rahul Prajapati this side, and very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. So, let's start the analysis by looking at the SGX first. So, first of all, if we see SGX is trading above like 48 points with a gap up, market is trading near 17,250. So, that's again a good positive start for the week. Now, if we see and go and check the technical chart, simply so now if you see the technical chart, market is trading near 17,200. That is the close. Now it is 40 points gap up. Now on the higher side, if you see, market is facing resistance around 17,430 and probably 400, 17,500. That could be the resistance level, and that's a positive sign. Market is continuously moving up. Just give me the market is moving above, from 50,000 level. So that's a good move that we have witnessed since starting of the July, right? Now, if market take any dip towards like 17,000, that could be a good buying opportunity. So we have few gaps in between. So if market takes a dip, that's not an issue, but the trend is of the Nifty is still bullish, right? Okay, and oscillator is trading above 60. That's continuously saying that market is likely to be trading in uptrend, right? Now, if you see and if you go and check the trap indicator, so you will simply see that is the first signal that we have for Nifty, right? Okay, so it gave on Friday, right? Now, if you see the historical few results of Nifty, they are very nice. Also, if that suggests that this signal is likely to stay here, so probably Nifty likely to stay on the uptrend, right? Okay. Now, if you simply go and check the OI for Nifty here, okay, so the trend looks bullish. Okay, so it's continuously it was long and then unwinding, and then again we have long built up coming up in this Nifty, right? Okay, so that's again a bullish sign. Now, talking about the level specifically, so 17,000 have the highest put. 17,000 have the highest put, right? Okay, so that's a support for the market. Now, any dip towards 17,000 would be good buying opportunity, as I already told you. But if you see on the higher side, 17,500 and 600 are the two levels where we have added a, good addition. We have seen good addition on the call side, right? Okay, so probably for this expiry, we can look for 17,500 as the level on the higher side, and the lower side will be 17,000, right? So that is the analysis for Nifty. Now let's move for Bank Nifty also. Let's see. So Bank Nifty has a positive trend since long. Okay, since starting of July, we have seen a long unwinding cycle happening in Bank Nifty. It's kind of a double bottom pattern is also formed, and it gave a breakout somewhere around here. So the trend still look bullish. But on the higher side, market might be facing resistance around 38,500 and then 39,000. So these are the two levels on the higher side. Any dip towards 37,000 could be good buying opportunity in Bank Nifty. Okay. Now, if we simply go and check the OI for Bank Nifty here, so you can see it's clearly long unwinding happening. So no doubt about the trends. Okay. So any dip could be good buying opportunity. Keep on looking for long positions on dip in Bank Nifty, right? Okay. And if you notice one more thing here, so the trap indicator also suggests that there is a good buying opportunity for Bank Nifty also at this price. So another positive sign. So all these data points suggest that Bank Nifty, both the indices are looking bullish. So we should be mostly towards the buying opportunity we have in this, right? Okay. Now, next thing is if you go and check the historical contribution. So since the last week, if you see, so market moves almost like 3%, almost 500 points. And if you see, the most contribution is coming from NBFC specifically. And that strange point, mostly we have seen that private banks are contributing more, but this time NBFCs are more on the positive side. Then we have IT and then private banks. Okay. FMCG and metals are also contributing, right? Okay. Now, talking about the ban list specifically, so no stock as of now, new expiry, so not a major issue. Okay. Now, when we talk about the stocks, so simply we can go and check. There are good stocks, good signal came in, the trap indicator. So I'll simply go with HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank looks good from here. So we have good signals in HDFC Bank also, right? So, and it gave a breakout on this chart also, you can see that. So this is a positive sign. Okay. Now let's see what is happening in the UI for HDFC Bank here. No need to, cross check it, but still the trend seems to be bullish, and we have seen a few longs coming up in the past few sessions. So that's another good sign. And this was a breakout around 1400 level. So the stock looks bullish. Okay. And if you see that there are a lot of unwinding happening in the 1400, 1420 call option, and then probably 1440 also. So if the stock take dips towards any of the levels like 1420 also, that would be good buying opportunity, or probably 1400. And that breaks this level, probably this is the immediate level we have. So 1460. So that could be a good breakout level to at least 1500, and then probably 1550. Anyhow, the 1500 is the major resistance that we have. Okay. So the stock has to break this level. Anyhow, the trend looks bullish, and dips could be good buying opportunity. 1460 could be a breakout level. Just the trend seems to be okay for this, right? Okay. So HDFC Bank is a positive stock. Now, second stock will go with, I've already selected that stock, so we'll simply go and check. So if you go with AB Capital, so the trend shows that it is continuously long and unwinding happening, and the trend is bullish. Now, if you go and check the OI for this stock, the stock has, breached 105 level, which is already shown unwinding. So any dip towards 105 could be good buying opportunity in this stock. Breakout above 110, will take the stock to the, even 215 and 120, right? The stock looks bullish. And if you see the technical chart, okay. So on this technical chart, we can simply see that the stock has given a breakout. Okay. This was, consolidation kind of, and above 105, it gave a breakout. And last time the stock went up to around 124. So at least this is the level that we can anticipate, or we have talked about only 120 also, that will work. So 115 and 120, we can look for this stock in coming days, weeks, right? Okay. So anyhow, the 100 rupees will be working as a good support for the stock. So AB Capital looks positive, right? Okay. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again on Wednesday. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.